Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about smoke testing versus sanity testing and give you an overview around the differences between these two type of testing. Smoke testing and sanity testing are two commonly used terms in the software testing industry. Since these terms are often used interchangeably by software teams, many people get confused when trying to distinguish between them. The difference between smoke and sanity testing is also a frequently asked question in the software testing interviews. To gain a clear understanding and identify the differences between them, let's dive deeper into each type of testing. What is smoke testing? Smoke testing verifies that the most critical features in the latest software build work as expected before deeper testing is carried out. It is a subset of the overall test cases that cover the important functionalities of a software system. Check out my previous video for more details on smoke testing. What is sanity testing? Sanity testing is performed on the software to ensure that it works as expected after the bug fixes and code changes. It is a subset of regression testing. For more details on sanity testing, check my video on sanity testing. Link is provided in the description. I have also provided the link to the detailed video on what is regression testing. Difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. Let's learn about the details one by one following each criteria. The goal. The goal of smoke testing is to uncover the critical or blocker issues in the application using the test cases that cover important functionalities of the application. The goal of sanity testing is to check that the application is stable enough to proceed with further testing of the entire application. Scope. The scope of smoke testing is to check the stability of the application by testing critical user journeys of the software. The scope of sanity testing is to check only the specific functionality, verifying the bug fix or configuration or environment related changes. When performed, smoke testing should be performed after a new build is released after major code changes. Sanity testing is performed after minor bug fixes, enhancement, or before getting into comprehensive testing. The test cases. For smoke testing, the test cases related to critical functionalities of the applications are used. Test cases related to basic features like login, logout, navigation, etc. are used in case of sanity testing to check that the build is stable enough after the bug fix or enhancement. Let me also give you quickly an example for smoke and sanity testing to differentiate both of these testing types easily. An example of smoke testing would be of an e-commerce application where bugs were reported in the add to product cart functionality, like it was not adding or deleting the product from the cart. Smoke testing for the build released after these bug fixes would check as a whole user journey from user login to checking out the product and finally making the payment. In short, it will cover an overall functionality as a whole. An example of sanity testing would be, let's say there was a bug identified on the login page of the application where on clicking the login button, an error message was thrown denying the user to login. Once this issue is fixed, a sanity would involve quickly checking that the login functionality is working and the user is able to log in successfully. To summarize, smoke testing provides a quick check to verify that the major features of the application are working fine. In contrast, sanity testing focuses on verifying specific areas after a bug fix or minor update to ensure that things are still working as expected. Subscribe to my channel for more such tutorial videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.